Today we'll be making classic Indian masala fish curry. It's a very unique dish, quite tasty, really appeasing and has a great blend of flavors. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so unconditionally. I hope I can bring up great videos. So let's start with this yummy recipe. So first I have taken here fish. I have taken freshwater fish, rohu, katla, vetki, you can choose any freshwater fish, and I have cut them into thickness of around ½ inch. Now I have taken one medium sliced onion. I have just sliced them thinly. Apart from that, I have taken one large size onion. I have roughly chopped them. And then I have taken garlic pods around 10 to 12, and ginger I have taken around 1 inch. I have chopped it roughly. Cumin seeds I have taken 1 teaspoon, and green chili I have taken here 2. You can also take 1 or increase according to your taste. Now we need to blend all this. So in this recipe we need sliced onions as well as this mixture in which we have already included onions. Then I have some red chili powder around 1 teaspoon. And Kashmiri red chili powder around 1 teaspoon. This gives nice color to the curry, and the first one gives spiciness. Then I have some turmeric powder around 2 teaspoon and bay leaf around 2. Apart from that, I have taken dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi around 1 teaspoon and my homemade garam masala powder around 1 teaspoon. I have taken 2 large size tomatoes and I have chopped it in this way. Now mustard oil is a must for this recipe. For frying, and 3 tablespoons for making the curry, and of course salt. Now first we need to marinate the fish. So I have added around, for 750 gram of fish, I have added around 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt according to my taste, and I'll squeeze out half a lemon. Now I'll mix all these things in the fish and leave it for around 15 to 30 minutes so that the fish gets well marinated in the spices. Now I prefer this way of mixing my fish by tossing it, and it works really well. So just toss it this way, or you can mix it with your hands, or you can use a spoon. Now my fish is well coated with the spices. I'll just leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. Now what I have done, I have heated an iron kadhai here. You can always use a non-stick one, but iron kadhai gives a nice flavor to this dish. And I've added some mustard oil for frying, and when the oil is hot, I'll place the fish pieces. Make sure you place the skin side down and fry these pieces in medium-high flame by flipping them till they turn golden brown. Meanwhile, I'll make a paste of this onion, garlic, ginger, cumin and green chili. If you want, you can add just 1 tablespoon of water, but I have avoided any water. So now my fish is done here. I'll just flip it over the other side. You can see my fish is nicely frying in this hot mustard oil. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes for one batch of fish to be fried on medium-high flame. Now it's done, it's looking good. I'll take it out in a tissue paper so that it absorbs extra oil. Now before taking out this fish, make sure you have lowered the temperature of the gas. Then take out the fish so that you won't feel the heat. Now I'll fry my second batch of fish. Before that, increase the flame to medium-high and add the fish pieces according to your preference. Now we need to roast this, fry this fish in the same way as we did for the first batch. Just flip it over, and when you see they are done, change sides in this way. Now my family just loves a little more roasted fish, fried fish. So if you want, you can fry them a little less, so a bit more fried. So it's depend upon your choice. So flip the pieces over till you see all the pieces are done. Fry the fishes in batches. Now I'll take out these fishes. My pieces are done here. I'll take out this in the same kitchen towel. Now my fish, all the fishes have been fried nicely. You can see golden brown. Now lower the temperature of the kadhai as there is some excess oil. I need to take out some of the oil, so I have used a spatula here, and I have taken out around 50% of the oil, and I have left with only 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil here. Now in medium high flame I'll add the bay leaves. In this pan we'll make our gravy. So let's start with the process by adding bay leaves, and then we'll add sliced onions. After adding onions, you can add little bit of salt so that the onions cook faster. And in meanwhile my paste is ready here. So cook the onions on medium to high flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the onions have changed color. So now I'll add the tomatoes here. I'll add around 80% of tomatoes and leave 2 to 3 pieces. So I have added here tomatoes and I have just left 2 to 3 pieces here. Now after adding tomatoes, mix it well and let the tomatoes be cooked in oil with the onions till they become soft. Make sure you do this process in medium high. So my tomatoes have started to soften now after 2 to 3 minutes of cooking in hot oil. Just use a spatula to crush them, and believe me, this flavor of tomatoes and onions gives a nice flavor to the curry. Normally onions are added at last, but in this recipe it's added in this stage and it gives a very nice flavor. Now after my onions are done here, add the dry spices like turmeric and chili powder and mix it on low medium flame till you see the oil separates. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the paste, onion, ginger, garlic, cumin and green chili paste. Give it a nice mix. Now what I have done, I have just added 2 to 3 tablespoons of water here. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add water. Give it a nice mix, and now lower the temperature to lowest. Cover it and let it cook for good 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes on low flame of cooking, you can see the oil has appeared on top because we had added some water. So this masala paste has been nicely roasting out. So as you can see, so beautiful it's looking. And now mix all the masala spices. Increase the flame to medium high and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, the masala has absorbed the moisture. Now just mix it and cook it on open flame for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll cover it on low flame again without adding water. First time we had added water, this time we won't add any water. So after cooking for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, open the cover and you can see the masala is almost done. It's looking so nice. Again the oil has appeared on top, that means the masala has been roasting quite well. Give it a nice mix. As you can see, the color has completely changed. It has become reddish color, reddish blackish type color, and this owes a great amount to this iron kadhai that we are using. Like cast iron pan, it acts like a cast iron pan, so this gives a nice flavor. So roast the masala now on open flame for around 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see the color. At this stage, add water, around 1 glass of water you can add. I have added a little more, around 1.5 glass, because the fish pieces will absorb water. And now let the gravy boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. You can see my gravy has started to boil. Now I'll add half garam masala at this stage, just half amount, and we'll add the other half later. Give it a nice mix, and then we'll add the beautiful fish pieces to this gravy. This time at this stage this gravy is looking a little watery, but once we add the fish pieces, they will absorb the water and the gravy will be just perfect. Adjust salt according to your taste, and then goes the beautiful fish pieces. Just mix it a bit, and we'll then add the tomatoes, remaining garam masala powder and our kasuri methi powder. I'll add the tomatoes at this stage because after this it just needs little cooking, so the tomatoes will retain their shape, and the rest of the spices goes in. Give it a nice mix, And now we just want this goodness of masalas to go to the gravy and give a gravy a nice flavor and color. So for that we need to lower the flame to lowest, cover it and let it cook on low flame. Let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes or till you see the gravy becomes of this consistency. And then goes the goodness of my homegrown coriander leaves. Turn off the gas and my masala fish curry is ready. I have served them in a beautiful platter here. You can see how beautifully the fish pieces have absorbed the flavors of the curry and spices. Just add a little of gravy on the top and the tomatoes goes in, and as I have added it lastly, the tomatoes have retained their color and shape, and on the top goes my beautiful homegrown organic coriander leaves. Indian masala fish curry is ready to go. The goodness of this curry lies in the simplicity of the dish. If you have liked the video, please press the like button, do subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.